Welcome to the Language of Law. This series explains how legal language shapes what people are allowed to understand about justice. Part 10, Structural Error. Last time we talked about harmless error. Now we talk about its opposite. A harmless error is a mistake the court says did not change the outcome. A structural error is different. A structural error is not about whether the outcome would have been the same. It is about whether the trial itself was fundamentally broken. Think of it this way. If a witness misspeaks, that might be harmless. But if the jury is never properly instructed on the law, that strikes at the structure of the trial. If evidence is admitted improperly, that might be reviewed for impact. But if the judge removes an essential element from the jury's consideration, that is not a small mistake. Structural errors affect the framework within which the trial proceeds. They are not weighed. They are not balanced. They are not brushed aside. Because when the structure collapses, you do not ask whether the collapse was harmless. You ask why the building was allowed to stand at all. That is the difference. Not every mistake is equal. Some mistakes go to the bones. Structural error means the trial was broken at its core, not flawed, not imperfect, broken. Some errors can be measured. Some errors can be debated, but some errors infect the entire process. And when that happens, the law recognizes something simple. A broken foundation cannot support a verdict. Next, we begin a new series, Presumption of Law. We will break down how presumptions function inside the courts, how they begin as reasonable shortcuts, how they stack, and how they can quietly shape the outcome of a case long before a jury ever speaks.